Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 7th August 2024. In this video, I will teach you top 10 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. In India, Javelin Throw Day is observed every year on. Answer is 7th August. The Athletics Federation of India, AFI, has observed Javelin Throw Day every year on 7th August. The day was first observed in 2021 in honor of javelin thrower Neeraj Chopra, who won India's first Olympic gold medal in athletics at Tokyo. Neeraj threw best effort of 87.58 meter in Tokyo to secure India's first track and field medal at the Olympics Games. Question number 2. National Handloom Day is observed every year on. Answer is 7th August. The 10th National Handloom Day is observed on 7th August 2024 at Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi. Honorable Vice President of India is the chief guest on the occasion. The theme for National Handloom Day 2024 is Weaving Sustainable Future. It was first observed on 7th August 2015 to commemorate the Swadeshi movement, which began in 1905 on the same day. Question number 3. Which is the top-ranked Indian company in the 2024 Fortune Global 500 list? Answer is Reliance. Mukesh Ambani's Reliance Industries Limited maintained its status as the top-ranked Indian company in the 2024 Fortune Global 500 list. 9 Indian companies were included in the 2024 list. The 2024 Fortune Global 500 list was released by the global multi-platform media company, Fortune, on 5th August 2024. American company, Walmart, retained its top position on the list for the 11th consecutive year. Walmart followed by Amazon, in US, State Grid, in China, Saudi Aramco, in Saudi Arabia, and Sinopec, in China. Question number 4. Which state became India's first to buy all crops from farmers at MSP? Answer is Haryana. Haryana's Chief Minister, Nayab Singh Saini, announced the state's procurement of all crops at minimum support price, MSP, making it the first in India to do so. MSP is the guaranteed amount paid to farmers when the government buys their produce. The Chief Minister also announced the waiving of 133 crore rupees in outstanding canal water irrigation charges. Question number 5. India's first methanol-fired gas turbine will be demonstrated at. Answer is NTPC Kayankulam. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, BHEL, will demonstrate India's first methanol-fired gas turbine at NTPC's 350 MW Kayankulam combined cycle power plant in Kerala. This project aims to revive unutilized gas turbine sets in India, affected by the unavailability of natural gas and naphtha. This will be the first such demonstration project of its kind in India. Question number 6. Who has launched the eSaksha, Nyaya Setu, Nyaya Shruti, and eSaman apps? Answer is Amit Shah. Home Minister Amit Shah launched 4 apps, eSaksha, Nyaya Setu, Nyaya Shruti, and eSaman, to ensure the smooth implementation of the 3 new criminal laws in the country. Amit Shah launched the apps at an event in Chandigarh on 4th August 2024. eSaksha, all testimonies, videography and photography will be saved on the e-evidence server. Question number 7. Which company is manufacturing the Astra Mk1 missile in India? Answer is Bharat Dynamics. The Indian Air Force has given its green signal for the production of 200 Astra Mark I missiles for its Su-30 MKI and the indigenously developed light combat aircraft Tejas. The Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, has developed the Astra Mk1, which is being manufactured by Bharat Dynamics Limited, a public sector company. The Astra Mk1 has a range of 80 to 110 kilometers with a maximum speed of 4.5 Mach. Question number 8. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of South Africa's SA20 League? Answer is Dinesh Karthik. On 5th August, cricket legend Dinesh Karthik appointed as a league ambassador for the Betway SA20, South Africa's premier T20 cricket competition. Karthik, who retired from all forms of cricket earlier this year, is the first Indian player to be associated with the South African tournament. His role will involve working closely with fellow SA20 ambassador ABD Villiers and the management team to enhance the league's global fan base and elevate brand awareness in India and the UK. Question number 9. Recently launched book titled India at 100, Envisioning Tomorrow's Economic Powerhouse was authored by. Answer is K.V. Subramanian. Union Minister of Commerce and Industry, Piyush Ved Prakash Goyal, has launched the book titled India at 100, Envisioning Tomorrow's Economic Powerhouse, authored by Professor K.V. Subramanian, the Executive Director of International Monetary Fund, IMF. The book predicts that India can achieve a $55 trillion economy in 2047 with self-sufficiency, stronger currency, fundamentals, and 8% annual growth rate. Question number 10. Recently, who was conferred with the Companion of the Order of Fiji? Answer is Draupadi Murmu. On 6 August 2024, President Draupadi Murmu was conferred the Companion of the Order of Fiji, the highest honor of Fiji, by the President of Fiji William Katonivere. Fiji, officially the Republic of Fiji, is an island country in Melanesia, part of Oceania in the South Pacific Ocean. Fiji is an archipelago of more than 300 islands. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.